ta 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 ta. I'm not sure क्या चल रहा है. Let me see. Live हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. Think you're live. नहीं चेक करते हैं. Live. Is it live? पता भी नहीं चलता. Let's see. I think yes. Live. Yes. You're live. Is it live? We are live. Yes. ठीक है. टेक्निकल गोलू. हेलो. इस पे भी डालते हैं. ट्विटर. Minutes or so. देखते हैं भाई कितने लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया. हाउ मैनी पीपल ज्वाइंड. कॉन्करेंट व्यूअर्स 1. ठीक है. एक ने किसी ने ज्वाइन किया. नहीं. यूट्यूब लाइव नॉट इंस्टाग्राम लाइव. Ta. Do. Let's do one thing. Let's open a GitHub repo and try a few things. La. Screen कैसे share होगा? How to share my screen? Yeah, I can share display window. Let's say I want to share Chrome. Google Chrome window. ठीक है. And I select show cursor, show full screen and hide windows. ठीक है. So empty name. Hello Mustang GT. Hello Vivek. Let me figure out how to share my screen. तब मजा आएगा. If I share my screen here, this is locked and this is off. I don't know how to bring that up. लेकिन what I can do is I can bring Mac OS screen up. Let's see. Not able to bring that. Yes. आ गया क्या? Perfect. But इसमें मैं नहीं दिख रहा हूँगा. The issue is that. Let me try out bringing my camera as well. कैसे होगा? I think it's on the back. ठीक है, this is fine. How to have camera plus like video, screen video होता है, तो यहाँ ये screen video है, ये camera है. Audio is chakajak sorted. Let me figure out how to share screen in OBS. कैसे करते हैं? If I go to if anybody wants to ask question, you can type in the chat till I figure out this. इसको अगर मुझे शेयर करना है, let's say I add one more video capture. Let me make it smaller. This device is default. No. छोटा करना पड़ेगा. That's the issue. वीडियो कैप्चर नो, स्क्रीन कैप्चर लेके जाते हैं ऊपर. यू विल सी माई स्क्रीन नाउ. यस. और वीडियो कैप्चर विल लॉक वीडियो. ओके, आई मेक माई सेल्फ स्मॉल एंड फिर मैं ऊपर लेके जाता हूँ. यस, अब मज़ा आएगा. ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा ऊपर करते हैं. Can I make it circular? I think एक filter था, but ठीक है, this work. This works. Perfect. ठीक है, let's do one thing. Let's see which GitHub repo are trending right now on GitHub. उसके बाद उसके अंदर जाते हैं, देखते हैं कैसे कोड लिखा है, क्या लिखा है उन्होंने. Go to trending and this is nice. मेरे repository में जाके they have seen all the dependency I own and this is fantastic. ट्रेंडिंग में जाते हैं and we see this repos are trending. And what you can do is this is Rust. Let's filter out with TypeScript. आ गया. Let me just see like if my YouTube is working or not. Where to check this? I open this. This is Rust. Let's filter out with TypeScript. I think this works. Audio is also good, right? I think. ठीक है, this works. I think. Let's go back to GitHub. Let's start. This is Calcom. This is Cloudflare Workers SDK. Nice. This is written in some other language. Let's see what it is. Let's translate to English. And course to learn React from scratch. Acha, this course. Nice. Course is trending. अच्छा, इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. नाइस. Calcom learning React, interplanetary microblogging platform. इसकी they use fluent emojis. Nice. क्या है ये? Something weird. Modern alternative to Salesforce powered by community. Oops, sorry. 20.com. So, oh nice, they are building a competitor to Salesforce and it's open source. If you make something in Next.js as of today, you will get a lot of contributors, a lot of people to contribute, because a lot of people are studying like Next.js and stuff. Let's see codes for this. I think this should be interesting. Let's do it. We'll open it in GitHub. Wow, nice. They use NX for build. Great. Let's start with packages. Yes. So first, if you see the first few, there is 20 Chrome extension, 20 Docker to I think deployment and stuff. Then there is 20 emails. I think they might be using this to send email stuff. Nice. That's fine. 20 front end, right? Front, maybe this should be front end. Let's see overview, then we'll move on. This is Postgres. Mostly it should be like build scripts. Fine, yeah. Build script. This server, what they have done in server, what they use, I think, let's see. Oh, they use Nest. They use Nest.js. See, they use Nest.js. Oh, this is interesting. So they use Nest.js. They have engine modules. Oh, they use Nest.js for backend. This is interesting. So let's understand their overall structure first. This is UI totally. Component, fine. This is a display, testing, theme, that's fine. Let's see, did they use Redux? No, I think this is like configured in a different way. Excuse me. So gotta go to Avatar. I think they have like everything from CSS from scratch. That's fine. Let's go to utils. This is fine. This is website that they do. So this is, I think, this thing fully. So it has been 20 years. Story, press release. Let's go to homepage. I think this page is this, I think. So how to find out that? So there is developers, job, releases, 20 UI, user guide, docs, developers, releases, pricing. I think this is the one. This is the one that are coming up. We have 2 people watching. Nice. 20 website, 20 Zapier. What did they do with Zapier? Let's see. Acha, this is, I think, for automating various things. This is interesting. Oh, nice. So now, if you see, just the open source repo that they have created, is challenging Pipedrive, Salesforce, and certain like CRM companies. Yeah, we can see the demo. Let's see the demo. I think we have the ID, password. Continue with email. This is my email. Password is applecar 2025. Okay, this is good. Never. Nice. Let's say if I open a company, Amdocs. So this is like customer relationship management altogether. The UI is nice. The UI is good. Yeah, people should learn how to build this kind of. Oh, something is broken here. Oh yeah, light mode. Yes, I just turned it on because I was sitting in like very dark. I need to turn it off, but I'll do it after this stream. Yeah, I think this is the UI is broken. We can just like, I think we can just make a pull request to fix this. Possible. All together, yeah. So this is the card. This is the record board card. Okay, this is record board card. Let's find the ID. Oh, this is drag and drop. Oh, nice. Let's see. Oh, so they might be using React DND altogether. Let's see where it was. This was component. Let's see this. Maybe somewhere there will be React DND. Yeah, I think this is the one. Drag to select now. DND. Let's see with DND. Hello. Okay, there is some other library they are using. Let's see what it is. Oh, beautiful and natural item movement. Yeah, this is they are using. This is why I love open source. So where we are seeing, yeah, we'll see the demo. So let's say this is broken, right? If you see this is going out, this should have been like this is by design. Let me increase this. No, I can increase. No, let's select this card. Okay, this is not the one. Let's select this card. Yeah, this is the one. But they have other things they have used. They have used the class as record board card. So if you search this, we'll find that there is a class which is applying. Yeah. So this is draggable container, and inside this we have this record board card. This record board card is this one card actually. So this is a LinkedIn profile. Let's go to this record board card. Let's see the TSX. Okay, so this is some provider which is giving the value. So I think this is a field context provider, so all the items inside this will have this data. Just pretty much React stuff. They use animation. Let's see which animation library they are using. Okay, they have Framer motion expected. Yeah, let's see what happens. So if it is in a view, so I assume like if somebody is viewing it, is in view. Okay, this one is in view hook they are using. That's fine. So record inline cell. I think this goes to this. Then what we wanted to find out, this LinkedIn row item, I would say. Maybe we can directly go to this. Why to like search and see. So this is this got it. But you can't generally because they are went through CSS and GS stuff, and the class names are weird that you can't find out. Let's go through the code. It will be nice to learn as well. So it says button icon. That is, I'm assuming somewhere it will be there. So this checkbox is there, right? Let's see if there is some checkbox. There's fill input, display mode, display. I don't see anything. Read data. Maybe we are going wrong. Let's go back. The view style record in cell placeholder. I don't think this is the one. Let's see if we are seeing to the right component. This is container, this is the box, this is the box that we are talking about. Yeah, this is the box, right? So this is the column. So map the column ID and we just list down one by column. Go to this column, we have record column card container. Let's see, this is column header. So इसके अंदर क्या होगा? So if I hover, it will show a light icon button. Let's see. If I hover, oh, this thing is coming, right? So I think this is coming from this. No. Hold on. This is coming from this. So sorry. So this is icon dots vertical, right? I think we are looking into like different UI altogether. We have missed something. Should ideally give 3 dot something. Maybe let me click on this. No. Let's see. Okay, we get a light icon. Is head hover? Is not hover? Then it's so record count. We're looking into definitely wrong one because it doesn't show any record count for me at least. Let's go back. Fun of reading the code bases. Yeah. Is head over? We get a light icon. That's fine. This is, let's go back one more time. Record board column header. So this is one column. Yeah. This is the one. So when you hover, you get this 3 dots. When you go back, you get this batch. So this is the one. So if you don't hover, you will see this record count, and this record count is this. You see that's 3, right? Yeah. And you hover, you get this icon of triple dot. That is this item. So we have got the header of record board column header. That is this, and this is one column header, this is one column header. So they have mapped the IDs to the column. So this is 1 column, 2, 3. So there are 3 maps, and this is happening one step back. Go one step back, and this is happening out there. So this column IDs are 1, 2, 3. Nice. Take care. We present the column, and then what we do, we have this column entirely, and we have the style, scroll provider. Just I think if there are more items, let's say there are more items out here. So there should be one more scroll inside, I think. But let's see. Put anything random. I think this is the scroll provider. Yeah, because if you see, this container is having this scroll. It's not like the entire page is having a scroll. Yeah, so, and this also goes from here. This is nice. Okay. This is drag and drop context. That's just for dragging and dropping. Somebody is messaging. Okay. If we let's see where this card is there, for example. So this entire card, right? So we can use the React DevTools production build. Okay, let's find out this card. If you go to this card, this class board card, and which one is this? Yeah, this is pretty much directly like class record board card. Let's find out. That's what we searched, right? Yeah. So this is memo. That is fine. They are just doing something. Record board. So this is a record board. Yes. Now we already saw this, right? Yeah. There's no point. This is the entire scroll view, record board column. There is one column. So inside one column there should be one entire set of list of items, right? Let's see. Record board card, and here they're using the record board card, and this is record board card they're using. That is the entire draggable component. It's the same, right? Yes. So this record board card, let's see where it is used. Yeah, this is used in record board draggable container. And hello Rohan, how are you? So this is entire record board, and if you go, so if you see this class name, right, this is basically this kaha gaya? Yeah, this record board card is coming from record board card. So iske andar jo hoga, that will be this item, right? And uske andar this will be somewhere layouted there. Let's see. So iske andar gaya main uske baad. Yeah. So let's see what this is doing. Is getting the record ID from the context and doing few operations. Fine. Card compact mode. There are few things. Record. Yeah. I think this is the one which should have all the values. Record is null return. Else go here. He passed the record value setter. Okay, that's fine. Storyboard. Max width is 156. So sometimes styles also helps to find out what's happening. So if you go here somewhere, no, computer width is 198, and what is given there? 156. This is max width. How come? Okay, we are seeing in the wrong container. Maybe this could be inside this. We're doing something wrong. Okay, we now know this is record card that we got, record board card. Okay, let's see. If we go, this is compact mode. There could be one compact mode, right? Okay. Icon name is there, label is there, field is there, metadata is there. Okay, what this label would do if in this card? This could be the label, yeah, and based on this, because this column ID is filtered, so if you see the labels, right, so if I do label as 2, it will go to the second one. Yeah, see, so this based on this label, these columns are made and then it is shown up. So the only thing we need to figure out is, bro is making feel unproductive on a Sunday. So this is my record board, record card, and if I go inside this, let's find out this eventually. So if you hover over this gives an edit button. We can figure out like easily, but I'm just trying out. Let's say www.twitter, if I give any URL, right, test.com/test. Yeah, you see that this is link stuff. This is link stuff. This is link stuff. This is link stuff. Employees. Ooh, something happened now. Okay, that's fine. Now, should I really be editing this? Because this is a common email ID, right? Sorry, I might have to delete few of them. I think this I added. I'll just delete. I think this was here only. This was here. Let's not do chirkhani of their demo. We'll just see where this exists, so that we can fix it. This is job. This thing. Yeah. Let's see. Somebody will find me and say like, why did you edit this? Yeah, this checkbox that you see, right? I think this is this checkbox. So this should be a flex checkbox of start. See, this is a container, and this is checkbox, and this is header. Yeah, we got it. So this is a record chip. So record chip has a record passed, and then if it is a compact mode, we add one more button. That is fine, but we also add a checkbox. So this particular record chip is basically this thing. If I click on this, it goes somewhere. So let's go inside. We are not interested in that because we are fixing something else, but let's read more of it. So if I go to record chip, see, get a avatar, get a name to this, and data chip is another component maybe, but this is avatar, this is name and stuff, and that results in this one. This is pretty interesting. So we are in the right component. Let's go back. Now we got the header, so we can minimize this. So this header is this. Yeah, let's go down more. So yeah, so what we can do is we can go further. So this is a header and this is a class card body, or maybe like that's if they have named it correctly. Yeah, they have named it correctly. This is the entire card body. So they go to the field and map each of the field, right, and prevent select on container, select on click container. Let me see if I, oh, this is nice. Somebody really has worked very minutely micro interaction on this UI. ठीक है. In view record, if not in view, style record inside placeholder. That's fine. This should be something related to their something, but let's see. Our goal is to find this. So now we have a field definitions which they map get field. That is also any, like it's not, what is field definition? It's any of a array. Yeah, it's any. That's where it is needed to like use it very nicely. Okay, it's coming from state. Okay, prevent select click container, that's fine, we are not interested in that. We go to field provider and it is wrapped inside field provider, and we pass the metadata and everything, blah 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 blah. Okay, this is max width is 156. I think for this I think for this, so oh no, wait, what happened? It opened. Okay, fine. For this I think this width is taken. Oh no, you have to like delete this live stream now. Okay, anyways, so this thing, this email ID you see, right, this has a width of 196, 86 and stuff, 204, 182. Good. So if you see the accessibility requirements, right, there are some things that we can fix. So if you see the contrast of this, it is disabled though maybe, but I think there are some guidelines for disabled items as well. So let's do one thing. We are here and we are in the card body. The provider is providing some information with the value and stuff. If it is in view, record inline cell. Let's see what it does. Loading read only, fine. We already have a value passed from a provider. So if you go back, we already have value passed from a provider. We don't explicitly need to pass as a prop or something else. So maybe that's what they have followed. Okay, handle, enter, escape, submit. That is fine. get icon, record inline cell container, icon label. That's fine. I think this icon is maybe some icon. This icon could be the reason they use tabular. Oh, nice. Icon, and this is label. Icon, then this label. This could be the possibility. Let's see. So this is icon label, and we have label width, and so label edit field, edit mode content. So I am guessing this thing, right? This thing is this. Okay, no, this thing is this. So if you go to editable content, right? No. Go to editable content. It is not showing up because it's inside that's what we want to fix. So if you see which is our editable content, you'll find this, I think the editable button. Let's see. This field input, edit mode content is field input, display mode field display, and display fine. So if we go to this is display mode. So this cheese display, chip display, icon, relation, phone, UID, link. There should be some link. I think this is the one. Yeah, I think this is the one. Yeah, social link. Yes, this is the one. So we found out that, so it is type of LinkedIn or Twitter or a URL that we see. This is Twitter, this is X, this is a normal URL that we have. This is URL, this is LinkedIn URL, and this is X URL. This is where that is coming from. This is a social link. That's fine. So once I have the social link, right? Once I have this social link, this itself is like going lot long. It could be the case like all the columns are going beyond this, but since only the link went beyond this, this is like broken. So let me just go ahead and edit this. Oh, I can't. Okay, I can't. Some long name. If I can go ahead and select a long name. Yeah, I think it will cross. No. One of the fact I love is like they're using nest days. Let's see what network call it makes when I change this Tyler technology. Yeah, making a GraphQL call, update one person, mutation. Not something is the one for updation. Nice, awesome. So this is the entire thing, but the company, what did you change? We changed the company, right? From Tyler Technologies. This is the one we selected. So if I select a different one, okay, oops. If I select a different one, let's say I select Cisco, so it will makes a call, updates a person, update a person with Cisco would be somewhere. Yeah. Nice. This is fun. Okay, I think okay we deviated a bit, but I think this is the social link that is getting displayed, and maybe this, if you go this display value, and ultimately it's a rounded link. So max width is 100%. I think one thing they can do is they can just give ellipses when you cross a certain certain width. Yeah, I'll fork this repo in the next live stream and I'll just contribute directly. There are a lot of issues. Nice. This guy has opened a lot of issues. Yeah, this is good. I like this repo. One of the reason more is like it uses nest. like it's all, everybody is going with like same set of tech stack now. It's like Next.js, Prisma, using type ORM, or there are certain set of structure to that, like SATC and UI and stuff. They have deviated a bit, but that's really awesome. So they're using Next.js heavily. Okay, let's see what could be the fix for that first, and then go from there. So we have rounded link. I think this is where in style link, so they are using style components. Awesome. This is center. See, this is a CSS variable that is transparent light, right? And this is hard coded. So even in dark mode, I don't know they have a light mode or not, dark mode or not, but okay, let's not go there. If you search this, just to verify we have found the right right color or not. Why they have two different, maybe I'm missing something. Okay, anyways, so this variable is gray 6 and that is this color. So if we go to this and see its background color, this is the background color. How to convert this to a hex? Can I select this? Okay, let's go to styles, maybe there we can find out easily. This is the background, this is the background. I think only till here the background is there. We have the background color here. What is the hex code for this? Come on, bro. Oh, are the CSS variable from the page possible? So it's 252, 252, 252. Okay, let's do one thing. Let me open. Yeah, let's get to RGB to, sorry, yeah, we convert 252, 252, 252, and that should come to the same CSS variable that we have. This is FC, and source of moment of truth. We don't have a FC. We have that, right? No, we have, yeah. So here we are using 06 gray, that is this, and here we are using gray 10.4, that is gray 104, right? No, sorry, gray 104. That is this. Did we match the wrong color? Maybe. Let's see this. This is this. I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. If I disable the background color, okay, this is not enabled actually here. It was transparent. Let's go back once. I think this is the one. Background color, background transparent light, 20 CRM background transparent light, and 20 CRM. Oops, let's take it later. Is my live stream working? Okay, let me just see if my live
took more than 300 interviews when I worked for Facebook. 80% of people I interviewed for problem solving.
And 20 CRM. Yeah, I think it's working. Yes. Yeah, there is a CSS white space no wrap that is causing, yeah, that's the reason actually. You're just finding out like how the colors mapping, how it is done. So I think this is the one, right? 20 crm transparent, 20 crm background transparent light. Yeah, this is the one. And what's the color for that? I think this is the one, transparent light. If I turn off this should go. Yeah, see, this goes. So we can place a ellipsis. What do you say? Yeah, right. So if I go here, and I think you were saying about this white space no wrap. Yeah, that's fine. That can be. This is a very easy fix though. So if we wrap this, right, does this keeps the entire information, right? Maybe the UX meet like 20 .coms UX should think about this a bit. Maybe they can just, you know, give this name out there only, like, you know, this name, and give us some opening sign out there. It is known that it's a link, but that would make more sense. But yeah, we have the fix. I think we just go to this file and I'll just ping. How do I chat? Where's my OBS? Yeah, go to this link. How do I send link for this particular file? The issue with like github.dev is like you don't get the link as you open in browser. But I think we can go here, search for it here, and I think we can have like file type as this. This wildcard doesn't work. Okay. Anyways, we can find quickly. This is the one, right? Rounded link. Yeah. So I'll just copy this. No need to copy raw file. Don't want to copy this, and we go to this file and we tweak the styles a bit, and blah, and this thing gets fixed. What other issues we see here? One is like width of this. This is not responsive, I think. So if let's see, it's not responsive at all. Yeah, that's fine. It's like coming. The sidebar is responsive, but it's not really like this. Not responsive. Sidebar is responsive. Oh, what happened? So sidebar is responsive, but this are not responsive. But that's the UX decision. So this is one thing. So let's note it somewhere so that we can come back someday and see if it is fixed or not. I don't want to open any of my notebooks right now because I'm not sure where it will open it. Okay. Anyways, this is one thing. Let's see search. Okay, how they go to, let's say I search for Cisco. Yeah, it comes, right? So how they are doing this search? Okay, let's see. This is interesting. Just seeing like if they are oh, they use Niveau and Niveau. Nice. Somebody looking to like learn Nest.js. This is the place. What is Linear React? Yeah, Core, Tricks and Floating UI. Yeah, I've seen this on Twitter. They use Docosaurus for documentation. Chakra UI, they mixed lot of things, I think. Okay, they use GraphQL. That's expected. Load as, why they have like certain, I think they pick pretty pick. This don't come the entire load as library, like, yeah, there are a lot of things. Let's see one thing more. Let's go to the code structure once. I mostly wanted to see the server, and I love the fact that it is using Nest and not Next. May the card will be scrollable like Trello. How does Trello does it? I have to check, but okay, can check Trello next time. What is good about Nest? If you know Nest, I really like frameworks which have certain structure. So it has like Nest has structure like Angular, and there is a certain structure that you need to follow. You can't break that structure, to be honest, because it's a framework, and Angular does that. And if you see the Angular code bases, it's a kind of structure on the all on the same lines. On there is a module, there will be a HTML file, there will be a routing and stuff, and that's how it's structured. And I think Nest.js is heavily inspired with that thing, like how to inject dependency and stuff. So next thing on my plate is to learn Nest. I'm just revisiting my Express knowledge. After that, I'll just go to Nest and see what can be done. I think these are command. These are logging. What they are doing, okay, so it is fine. Command module, see there is module. So if we go, see there is a module. If you go, here is a module. If you go, this will not have, because this is already part of this. Yeah. So if you go API, GraphQL, there are REST. So the structuring that is done with this, right? Anybody new can come and understand like what this actually module file will do, what a service file will do. They have a same set of this decorators and what goes inside. So this makes really things easier for many people. But yeah, I think if I would choose Express or Nest and I get a time to learn, like take those three things and learn and then implement, I would choose Nest. Good stuff. I really like but I don't think a lot of it's very like it's not very hyped. That's why people don't use it, but I've seen a lot of companies using it. I saw on their website like sometime, I think Adidas was the one who was using Nest, I think. Yeah. Do you think React got famous and all meta famous because it's functional and JS? It's all functional in JS and there is no hacky thing like Angular. Yeah, could be the reason. The thing is, if you want to learn Angular, there is a barrier to entry. There is certain structure you need to learn. There are certain patterns you need to learn because it's a framework. If you see React on the sideline, it's a library, so you can just stand a app within weekend. Know a lot of things about that, like just learning about JSX, certain fundamental state props, context stuff, and you can land up and you get a lot of ability to like modify certain things. And React was well received by community, and a lot of people starting using it, appreciating it, giving feedback and stuff. But with Angular, like Angular came in, then they have revamped everything, like I think they killed Angular 1 and then Angular 2 was entirely new thing. So developers don't want that kind of, I think they didn't like most of things. If they, let's say tomorrow if React team comes and say like you're not able to use anything that you were using till yesterday then community will go, again same thing happens here as well. But there are a lot of places where Angular is used still. Angular 19, 18 or 20, some Angular version is going on right now. The last time I used Angular was Angular 12, and I did migration from Angular 10 to 12, certain work like that. Still chose React, to be honest. What do we do now? Streaming for 1 hour. Is this the password we used? Yeah? No, I think it's. Let me go back to their repository. No, this is another. It's for testing. That's fine. But I really like this comfy, like this pattern of UI nowadays. So if you see the UI of Gumroad, and if you see the UI of, there's one more company that doing this. Gumroad is there. Then I think it's Beehive. Beehive, I think, is does the same kind of UI. Nice. Okay. What do we do? What did we modify? What? Oops. Let me revert this. Holy shit. Lot of branches. Let's see what kind of issues they are getting. That will do basically. Awaiting review. Who published this? Nice. Siddhant Rai. I think from the past 1 or 2 years, a lot of Indian folks have started on open source, and they pretty much go heavily and start learning, like start contributing to this. That's a good thing. If you see their PR count is like 3082, and if you see, you'll pretty much find a lot of 4th year, 3rd year students and people working in startup companies anywhere in India. That's a good thing. Like I think the pattern has changed now. That things. This guy previously working now building 20. I think he's the founder for 20. Yeah, could be. Is this company funded? Yes. No. This entire open source. Okay, they have open source. That's fine. Contributes there. So if you see like a lot of this company, see this these folks are Indian. I think they're Indian. This is too good. This is nice, right? So if you see the PR he has added, he has changed like a lot of files now, and this takes like good understanding of this thing. But maybe he has done like some addition. But even if you do this right, like this would be the this would like I sign off this as a great PR, to be honest. So this is still open, but if you see like, oh, he's from Ireland. Okay, fine. But still like there will be folks from India as well who started contributing this. So if you see this, let's see this. So this he's from India. See, so one of the thing is he might have changed only 1 or 2 lines. Like yeah, see, just a matter of like finding the right file like we did in this stream, and just modifying 2-3 lines and get it merged. And that's one of the things. So let's say I have a project that I'm maintaining, which is a company, and this could like become a very big company. I would surely bet on people. Like I would surely hire people who have contributed before and have a knowledge of the project. I don't wish to care about their degree and other stuff. This is a place where uh, if you don't have a CS degree or that is required by various company, this is a place where you can just sign in actually. Yeah, it's nice, good to see this. Yeah, I think you can just go to this repo and just make that fix that we saw. How do you have learned whole JavaScript? You mean like entire JavaScript? I don't know like the entire JavaScript. I learn it every day. Forgot half of the things. Generally, people know JavaScript, which they are using every day, and rest is like entire googling and finding out stuff. And then let's say if I know 10 things and there are 100 things in JavaScript, people say I know JavaScript because they know the 10 things and they have been using it very rigorously. So in another day of work, I find out like there is a new thing I have to learn. So I learned the 11th and 12th thing. So I got to learn 2 more things out of 100. So this is how we learn. Nobody knows like entire JavaScript. So if you see like the big projects, right? And let's take example of let's say Vue. Somebody created it, and after that it was all community crowdsource created. So the initial creator might not have the idea like what's going on in a certain module as well, because it becomes a very big community. Of course, like, they would be seeing it, but let's say if it grows very big, generally that's how community driven projects run. Like, yeah. I don't know what you're building today. Building nothing. We are just seeing some open source repos, and we started with like this section out here, explore section, and we went into trending, and we I think found that repo. Okay, we filter out with TypeScript. Yeah, and we found out 20 here. Yeah, and we went into that and started looking into what is there, and we found there was a card issue out here, this thing, and we explored the whole like the related code base, and we found out the issue. So go ahead and fix it. I mean, JS world is now more functional, and React got benefit there. Maybe React is the one who wholly let JS world move fully functional. Yeah, I mean, like if not React, there would be something else, and that would have surely moved like JS world ahead. I'm in first year and struggling with JavaScript. I'm only able to do the PR. Able to do only 3 PR in open source repo. It's not the amount of PR you raise. I think it's mostly like what kind of problems you are solving. If you're solving things in GitHub readmes, you can raise 100 PRs in a day. But let's say there is an issue lying around so long and you fix that, and that has a high impact. So that would be more valuable than that, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think we'll close for today. We'll come back again some other day. And with that, I revived my YouTube channel again. I didn't know like I had this much of subscribers. To be honest, I was not looking at it at all, and I looked at it and I thought like let's give it another try, and this time like do some more hardcore things rather than blabbing around like how to get into Fang. There are a lot of people like out there to guide you there, but I just wanted to be this channel as sole things for doing things like this, like go to repos and stuff. When you will come live again, I think weekdays it's not possible. I think I'm too tired to go live. Maybe it's weekend only, so I can sit more 2 hours here. chilling around. So yeah, I don't know where the chat went. Oops, shit. Did I log out myself from here? I have to sign in again, I think. Just a second. First I have to learn these softwares as well to just use it slowly. Let me sign in again. Yeah, signed in. See if I get my chats back. I see a blank window now. This weird. Yeah, I got it back. पढ़ाई लिखाई करो. अरे यार पढ़ाई लिखाई कर रहे हैं. बाहर चलो. हाँ जा सकते हैं. पिंग करता हूँ मैं व्हाट्सएप पे थोड़ी देर में. Which open source yeah, I think it was Fluent UI only where most of the contribution went. There was Material UI, then I had like one old GitHub account that I forgot the password of, and then created new one that had lot of contribution. So I started app development long back. We used to had one NPTL course, and back then it was very famous that do NPTL. And once we did that, there they taught React, Node.js with Express, and we started learning more about app development. Then I learned about Android, started freelancing. Then I learned about backend. Then I became a Mon developer, then Android developer, and then what did I do? Then I joined Microsoft, did Angular, did C#, .NET, blah 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 stuff. Then I switched teams, and then I did React Native for a while. Then I did Android for a while. Then I did iOS for a while, and then I am back to web now. Can you navigate? I don't have much repos. I might have to filter some of the repos right now. So I have to learn how to live stream properly. So there are some repos that I can't show. So not sharing that screen right now. Maybe some other stream where I filter out many things. How much do you earn from YouTube? Nothing. I just earn from my salary right now. This is nice. I think this is nice repo. I'll explore a bit more about it and see what can be done. And I think this is nice repo. Maybe I'll change the thumbnail of this live stream and make it like exploring 20. That's nice. We'll come back again here and we'll see what to do, what can we do. Next time maybe we'll open a PR right away. Let's see if there is some contributing guide here that can help us set up it quickly. Though this is the one thing that there is no contributing guide right now, but this should be pretty simple. I think self-hosting, it's there. Yeah, local setup is there. Yes, not self-hosting. It's open source, so it's not vendor logging. So self-host, local setup is there. Yes, you can go ahead and see like what is required. Pretty much like general React, like JavaScript things. Clone it. Set up a Postgres database. Set up environment variable. Install dependency. Register the database. That is fine. GraphQL. Yeah, there are travels. That's it, I think. Pretty much you run 20 server, 20 front end, or you can start. I think pretty simple. I think it's pretty simple to set up. Maybe I'll sleep a bit and then I'll open up here if nobody is doing it from here. But you know the fix. I have already pinged that in the chat. You can just go to this component rounded link and fix it. Somebody will approve. Have open source contribution now. Yeah, that's it. I think I'll go like away now. I'll do some other stuff. But it's so nice, like streaming. I didn't know like it's so much fun doing it live. But I think I need some good tools to live stream as well nicely. That would really great. Yeah, this what is this? See, there are a lot of things to do like on GitHub. I can sit like whole day doing things. There are a lot of contributors now. See, if I open any random, like let's say this. See, this guy has open 15, right? And you know the best thing they've done is they've created a contributor sign, and you see everything, pull request, and they say that thank you. Real spirit of open source. Chalo, thank you so much for joining in. How to not get into tutorial hell? I think it's just like distancing a bit from what you learn. Once you learn, distance a bit and start building. If you think like I'll learn everything and then do stuff, that is not going to work. Recent tech meetup you went to React Nexus last year, I think. After that there were some small in Hyderabad that I joined. That's it. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time. And if you're watching this live stream like after this has ended, probably will do this on weekends, so just keep an eye, subscribe, and just it will show you the notification. I stop this streaming. Thank you so much for joining, and bye.